If only we had a home. A poet. Based on a true story. In a hushed, sunlit corner of Lake Tana, an enormous neem tree stretched its limbs, gnarled and wise, high above the green garden. Perched on its rough bark, a Nubian woodpecker, Campefera nubica, surveyed the world with bright, hopeful eyes. Its feathers, tinged in earthy greens and russet browns, caught the late afternoon light as it tapped at the bark, a rhythmic song of resilience and purpose. With each strike, the woodpecker's beak chipped at the heart of the tree, carving out a refuge in the hollow wood. A sanctuary was taking shape, a place where dreams could root, where fledglings might one day learn to fly. The echoes of its labor filled the air, a melody of creation against the quiet vastness, as if each tap were a beat in a song only the earth and sky could hear. But as dusk approached, a shadow cast itself upon the scene. Swooping down from the canopy above, a double-toothed barbet, Libius bidentatus, fierce and fiery with streaks of black, red, and white, landed abruptly beside the woodpecker. Its eyes glinted with an intense resolve, one that had no room for sharing. With a powerful lurch and an unyielding shove, the barbet claimed the newly carved hollow as its own, a harsh symbol of nature's unspoken laws. The woodpecker faltered, then lifted its gaze toward the open sky. Its hard-won shelter had been lost in an instant, leaving it with nothing but the endless blue above. Yet it lingered a moment, watching as the barbet settled into what could have been its home. This small, fierce struggle mirrored so many others. It was the plight of those who cultivate and create, who labor with patient hands in lands they love, only to have their dreams uprooted by forces beyond their control. Just as the earth tilts from day to night, so do the hopes of those who strive against insurmountable odds. Yet even as the fading light cast long shadows over the land, the woodpecker took flight, undeterred. A tale of feathers, bark, and flight whispered through the trees, a tale of homes unmade and dreams deferred. And though the journey stretched endlessly ahead, the woodpecker would seek, and it would roam, always in search of somewhere safe to call its own.